Build your dream home in the Coves community. Here along the Pisgah National Forest and Johns River are over 11 acres with multiple potential build sites. The northern build site offers views of the Blue Ridge Mountains, with views of the Johns River from the southern build site. This property also features nearly 2 acres of cleared pasture. The Coves community offers over 20 miles of natural trails, perfect for hiking, horseback riding, and UTVs. And the 4,000 square foot lodge is the perfect retreat to work out or relax and take in the 360-degree views of the surrounding mountain ranges. The community also offers a community garden and vineyard, 2 equestrian facilities, and access to miles of the Johns River. Owning a property here puts you in close proximity to both downtown Lenoir and Morganton, offering plenty of dining, shopping, and entertainment opportunities. Call anytime with questions or to schedule a private showing.